So here's a quick little video of some stuff I just bought off of Amazon. This is a roll of LED strips. You can cut them apart. Every 3 LEDs, there's little tabs right there. You can see where you cut. And this roll is about 16 feet long. It's set up for 12 volt. And instead of just throwing a switch on it, I decided to buy this RF kit. It's a little remote with a RF modulator LED controller. And over here I just have a 12 volt battery at my daughter's Power Wheels Jeep. So just for a quick demo here, I'm going to show you what all this little remote will do. So I'm going to turn them on first, and you can see they're extremely bright, and you can cut them back to 50%. You can cut them back to 25%. Actually, that was 50% where I started. That's 100% now. And then you can just keep dimming them down little by little at a time if you want, instead of doing the steps. And then I'll go back to 100%. And then if you hit the mode buttons, it has a bunch of pre-programmed sequences here. As you can see, I'm just kind of scrolling through them here. Then like this one here, for instance, with this pattern flashing, you can slow it down or speed it way up. And you can do that with each one of the modes. When it was all, I'm going to turn it back off now. When it was all said and done, I bought 2 of these rolls, 3 of these because it was just happened to be the same price as getting 2 of them, which the remote is included with this guy's. These 2 work together. And I also bought some connectors, which haven't showed up yet. There was a pack of 10 connectors that just snap on. So when you cut these guys right here, they have little snap-on connectors. So you can virtually like make a pattern or something. Like I bought these, let's put my work fan on the roof of my work fan to light up my shelves and my doorways. So I'm going to put like 2 long strips and 2 short strips, and I'll connect them together to make kind of a box. And they just snap right on, and there's double-sided tape on the back of these guys, and you can cut these, like I said, every three strips there. So you can see between my fingers there is how far they are apart. So that's maybe about 3 inches. So roughly every 3 inches you can cut them, and like I said, you got 16 feet here to work with. I bought 2 rolls of this, 3 of these guys, that 1 pack of connectors, and just for the heck of it, I bought some of this, I think it's 20 gauge wire. I think it's like 20 meters of it or something. Yeah, 20 meters, 66 feet. And I think altogether, it was all on Prime too, except for those connectors. And it was like less than 25 bucks. This is going to be for my brother's truck, to light up the bed of his truck with his tonneau cover on, and for another truck we're going to do with a cap on it. So maybe we'll have some updated stuff later on how that all looks.